So the question is, what role does a fire risk assessment have in terms of designing a fire alarm system? So it's absolutely essential that the fire risk assessment's done. That will give you the fire risk assessor's assessment of what type of fire alarm you need to put in your building. Now, there's many different types of fire alarm: a manual, a property system, and a life safety system, which we'll explain in another video because it's a bit more detailed than just explaining where we are. But the relationship between the design type and the risk assessment is essential. So you need the risk assessment to be done to identify what kind of fire alarm system you need in your building, because every building's different, and so it's always going to be slightly different.